Okay, so today we'll be learning about colour theory. So as a partner, you will be given a water pot, 2 paintbrushes, one for each person, and you'll be given a paint palette, something like this, to share between your partner. These circles here on the paint palette are for our original colours. So we don't mix our colours in here, but we mix our colours on this big empty space provided. So the first colours we're going to look at are the primary colours. Okay, so those are the 3 primary colours. I've made sure as well that I've left a gap so I don't mix the colours because I want them to stay pure. Okay, you'll also have a cloth with you. This is to help us to dry our brush. You will also be given this colour wheel worksheet. So the primary colours, there's only 3 and they go here in the middle. And then when we mix the colours, the secondary colours will go here, here and here. So first, I'm going to grab my palette. So I've got everything with me. I'm going to dip my brush in the water and then I'm going to stroke it just so the drips come off the brush. Then I'm going to grab a little bit of red and I'm going to fill in this section here. There we go. So that's red. Then I'm going to wash my brush. This is very important. I'm going to wash it. Then I'm going to stroke it. And then I'm going to use my cloth to dry my brush. Make sure you're doing stroking like a cat. You want to stroke your brush because we don't want to ruin the brush hairs. Then I'm going to, because my brush is clean, I'm checking it. I don't see any red on it, which is good. I'm going to grab my blue. So I'm going to grab a little bit of blue, and I'm going to paint the blue here. So far my colours haven't mixed yet. I'm going nice and neatly. Okay, and see, I've still got lots left over because I need to mix them next. Now I'm going to wash my brush. My water is changing colour. I'm going to stroke it and then I'm going to dry my brush. Alright, this is the fun part. So I'm going to move this over just a little bit. Okay, so I haven't mixed my colours together yet. I've kept them nice and neat. What you're going to do now in your partners is you're going to help each other mix a colour together. So one partner is going to grab a little scoop with their clean paintbrush, a little scoop of blue. You can grab it with your paintbrush, a little scoop of blue, and you're going to put it in this empty space here. I'm going to put it right there. Okay. The other partner with their clean brush is going to grab a big scoop of red. And then, as partners together, you're going to mix the blue and the red together. I'm mixing mine nice and small. Okay, because I want to mix some more colours over here. So mixing it nice and small, and then it should make the colour purple. It might look a bit dark, so the person that's got the red, I'm just going to wash my brush. If it's too dark, you can add a little bit more red. So I'm just going to wash my brush, stroke my brush and dry my brush. Then I'm going to grab some more red, just a little bit more, and I'm going to mix it in. Okay, this is my purple here. So we have mixed the red and the blue together, and we're going to make the colour purple. It should look like a plum purple. If you've had a plum before, it should look like that. Nice and warm. So there's my purple. How cool is that? There we go. There's my colour purple. So I've mixed red and blue to make purple. Okay, now I'm going to wash my brush. Make all my brushes clean. And see, I've still got leftover paint here. I can still mix some more colours. Alright. Stroke my brush and then dry my brush on my cloth. Okay, now I'm going to fill in just a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to put the yellow here because this is another primary colour. So we have 3 primary colours: red, blue and yellow. There you go. Okay. Now that all our brushes are clean again, and you can see here that I have lots of leftover space, so I can mix some more colours. Okay, we are going to do red and yellow, and we'll see what colour it will make over here. So one partner is going to grab a little scoop of red, and we're going to put it over here. And you're going to wash. And then the other partner is going to grab a big scoop of yellow, and we're going to mix red and yellow together. And then it makes orange. And we're going to put the orange over here. Wow, look at that. So red and yellow make orange. It's like the sun. It's like a sunset. Awesome. And now I still have some more space over here because I've done some neat mixing. Make sure you're mixing your colours nice and neat. Alrighty. So wash my brush and dry my brush. Okay, what colours we're going to do now? Blue and yellow. Okay, so one person, they're going to grab a little scoop, just a little scoop of blue. I'm going to put it over here. And then the other person, they're going to grab a big scoop of yellow. And I'm going to mix it over here. Oh, wow. Blue and yellow makes green. Oh, look at that. Okay. So these are our primary colours, red, blue and yellow. And when we mix two primary colours together, it makes a secondary colour. So if we mix blue and red together, it makes purple. If we mix red and yellow together, it makes orange. And if we mix blue and yellow together, it makes green. So our secondary colours are purple, orange and green.